Maria, where are you?
I'm here.
Where?
Wait, I'm coming. Peekaboo! I'm here. Hi, this is Maria from Maria's Garden. Hi to all the newbies, my newbie subscribers. I really appreciate that everybody subscribes and have comments. They call me, I call them, and we share all the information. Anyway, today I want to make this video short. I don't want to make it like 20 minutes because nobody's gonna watch. Anyway, I'm gonna share information about my seedlings. My seedlings are only 3 weeks old, okay? And I'm very, very happy with the progress of my seedlings, okay? First of all, look how fat they are. Look at this. Look at fat. Look at this. Look at this one. 3 weeks. 3 weeks old. Okay, what you need to do when you see a seedling in trouble, you need to help her. Help the little seedling, like this one over here. If you see anything that is going down, inspect them. Inspect them once in a while, and make sure they're like this one needs a little help. So go like this and help her. Okay, this one is kind of crooked. Straighten it up. They all have to be straight up. Like this one over here, you go ahead and go like that. Second thing I want to say, I'm very, very, very excited for all the people that's growing seeds. Thanks God, we're growing seeds from different colors. We don't have to have anybody's plants or grafted plants or any kind of problems. We all growing seeds. Here's some information that you need to know about these seeds and about all these desert rosas over here. Okay, you need to know that sometimes I don't know everything. I know a lot about the plants by now because I've been doing it for a long time. But to get a master of these plants, or these beautiful desert rosas, sometimes can take it 20, 30 years to a person to say, I'm a desert rosa expert. You cannot say that because you're learning every day something. It's amazing how much you learn. Like me, I don't know everything. I know how to grow them. I know how to put it in the pots and everything. But I don't know about all their needs. Okay. First of all, you water them. I have a pot over here because I don't want to miss any information for my people. They're about 3 weeks old. They still coming up. Okay, they're still coming up. You still have to have the moisture here and everything. Okay. Second thing, water them every other day or every 3 days. Okay. Who I am to tell you when to water them? You're gonna make that decision. Depends what state or what country you live. Like for example, if you live in Tucson, I live in Tucson before. Arizona is very dry. You might have to water every 2 days. Florida is very humid, very, very humid, and I might have to water every 4 days. So I'm gonna take that decision. You, as a grower, a small grower at home, you have to make a decision that you seriously need water. Not because I tell you, hey, water every 2 days. Yeah, I'm in Arizona, I'm in Alabama, I'm in Chicago, I'm in New York, where I am. So the thing is, you have to keep the soil moisture. Okay, you wanna create any mold or anything, you moisture and nice for the seedlings. Okay, that's how you wanna water. Here in Florida, I'm doing every 2 days. Other thing very important for you to do once a month is this. Okay, remove the tray. What you do, you get your hose and put some water here. Okay. So what I did a month ago, about 2 weeks ago, I went and put a little bleach in here and I cleaned everything clean, just like this. And then what I did, I got all the icky out. I rinsed my rocks very good a couple times because I use bleach. You don't have to use bleach. You don't want to. So put the rocks on top. Put water about right there, where the rocks, where the tray will sit on top of the rocks. And this is not level, but where I have my ceilings in the greenhouse is level. So you go ahead and you put this back. You do that once a month to make sure everything is clean. You don't create any fungus for the plants or anything. Other thing is, I believe in a lot of bleach. I clean everything with bleach, but you don't have to use bleach. But I will use a couple spoons in each tray if I was you to clean it real good. I will leave it there and wear gloves and clean everything, and then rinse the rocks real good and put your trash back. Okay, that's what I will do. The water level, the level is supposed to be over here under the rocks. You have to check that daily. If you're not around at home, you gotta train somebody else to make sure the water is where it's supposed to be. What I usually do with mine, I go like this. Oops, sorry. I go like this and I put water. I put the water there. That way I know how high. If I put it here, it's very hard because I'm pushing the water. But if I go in here, I know where the water is, the level, okay? And by the way, I put too much water, so now I gotta take it out. I don't need that much water. Okay, there you go. That's one thing that you need to know. Okay, let's see what else. Clean trays. And Osmocote is safe for the ceilings. I don't know about anything else. You can put much as you want Osmocote, because when I do my mix, if you remember that, when I do my mix, I put a lot of Osmocote, okay? A lot of Osmocote, and it's right here, and it's not hurting my ceilings at all. Actually, I think it's helping my ceilings. So you, for some reason, forgot to put Osmocote, you can throw it in top. Just throw it in top, okay? Other important thing, believe it or not, I take the ceilings to sunbathe every day. Between rain, you don't have to do that, but I do. If it's a sunny day and heat outside in the USA, get your trays and put them outside. I put like 6 at a time, that way I don't have too much work because I have like 20 something trays. So I put them here, and before I go home or before the rain comes, I put them back in. They enjoy the sun. They will enjoy the sun. They will be more healthy. If any fungus is trying to create in top, it's not going to create because the sun is going to kill it. So it's very important to sunbathe them, okay? If you want to. You don't have to. I do. Okay? Oh, other more important thing. If you think they're dry, for example, if I think it's going to rain the day after tomorrow, I don't water them at all. But if the rain is coming, at this age, I put them outside for the rain. And as soon as they get soaked, I put them back in. So the rain will help them a lot. It's up to you again. I do it. You don't have to do it. Rotate the trays. Wherever you have the trays in the house, rotate the trays like this. Go there every other day and do this. Okay? That way you rotate the trays and they're all healthy and grow even. Make sure wherever you have them, they have to be 75, between 75 and 85. So if it's too cold outside, don't put them outside, only in a sunny day, okay? And if it's too cold, don't put them outside for sunbathing. Only if you're between 70, 75, 85, and that's you take them outside. Otherwise, no. Some places are already so cold and you cannot do that. But it will be nice you put a light. There is 24 hours in there, in the plants. A little light, even a lamp. The lamp on top of there. That way, last year, that's what I did. I had lamps, a couple hanging lamps on top, and I leave in 24 hours, and that helped them a lot. Other thing I was going to tell you, very important, that I'm going to start giving something away. Every month I'm going to give something away. But how I'm going to do it, I'm going to go and pick a person, okay? I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to count 10 people. Whatever is the 10 people, I'm going to send a message to the person, and I'm going to say, okay, you just win a desert rose, or you win a succulent, and I'm going to send it to you. Please send me your address if you're interested. If you're not interested, please respond. I'm not going to send anything out of the USA because I don't have license, and it will be a lot of problems for me, and I don't want to go through that. In the USA only. If you are out of the USA, will be kindly you tell me I'm sorry out of the USA, like some people do. I'm sorry, I know I win, but I'm not in the USA, so I cannot take it. Okay. I think I got covered. Other thing is, I think the rain is coming. I'm gonna start shipping my desert roses. For example, I have all these over here. This is the picote color. that will be white with the pink. Okay, this is the picore color. I have a lot of these. The reason I'm having here, I'm getting ready for a big sale in Naples. I'm gonna go sell in Naples. And then I have the pink over here. The pink is either this pink or a little lighter pink. This pink, these are considered pink, okay? And then I have the red. You can see all these are red. The red. Beautiful flower, red, okay? So, and I have the white colors, okay? At this moment, I don't have any doubles, but I will have doubles. I have the next batch coming out. If you're interested, please text me on my phone number, 941-457-1172. Text me, and then we can send you the pricing list and the colors. Oh, look at this. Is this beautiful? What? Look at this. Look at this, baby. Is that beautiful color or what? Look at this. This considered pink because it has like red, yellow. And these, they're all $40 and they are almost 2 years old. And they all will have a big trunk like this. Okay, like this. A big trunk like this. Okay, so when you get it, I know they're gonna be like this. I know they're gonna be like this. Don't worry about it. Just plant them and don't worry about the saggy. Water them good and don't water them for a while, and they will come back. I just don't want to take and chop up and like this. I can cut them and send them to you to cut like that. I don't want to do that, okay? So I'm working with UPS to get better boxes and everything, and I can ship them better. So thank you everybody that has purchased them. I appreciate that. If you have any questions about anything with your plans, call me. And I'm gonna do a video every month, and I'm gonna show you the progress of my seedlings. Right now, I wait until the last minute for the rain, and for the rain to come, and then I run and put it. Other important thing that I almost forgot. Thank you, Lucas, for reminding me. You are the best, my Lucas. How you water them, okay? If you can use a spray bottle, but you're gonna make sure they're moist. They're very moist. Otherwise, your seedlings are not gonna germinate. They have to be soaked like this water. You see this? Soaked in water, okay? So how you water them, you using the hose, this is how you're gonna water them, okay? You're gonna use the hose like this, and you're gonna go side to side like this. You never stop and water like this, because if you start watering like this, you're gonna damage them, okay? So you go like this, you move quick like this, side to side, whatever you wanna do it. That's how you're gonna water them. And don't do this, because you're gonna bury them and damage the root. So you put a little water like this, and and look at that water like this, okay? Thank you. Until next time, from Maria's Garden. Love you guys.